Do you know why some buyers make money while others regret their purchase? This property is a flat to gentle slope, and that's a big deal because flat land means cheaper construction, faster build, and fewer complications. Most people don't realize this, but slope equals extra cost, flat means profit. Now here's where it gets interesting. The survey is already done, the soil report's already completed. Do you know how many buyers regret after buying when their soil report comes back bad? Because once you buy, you're stuck. But here, you already know everything. No hidden surprises, no unknowns under the ground. We've even got demolition codes and design concepts ready. That means you're saving months of planning and thousands in costs. And the best part, this is a dual income opportunity, house plus granny flat potential. You are not just buying land, you're buying an income producing asset located right between Pendle Hill and Wentworthville, close to schools, shops and transport. This is exactly where the demand is growing. And when you compare the recent sales in the area, the growth and the appreciation here is very strong, making this not just a build but a smart investment. This is not just a property. This is a ready to go, low risk opportunity where you can build faster, spend less and make more. This is Ven from Blue Ribbon Real Estate. Inquire today.